India is a fascinating country with a rich history and diverse culture. I've traveled extensively across the country and have been captivated by its vibrancy and beauty. India's cultural expressions are truly remarkable. From the intricate patterns of traditional textiles to the vibrant flavors of its cuisine, every region has something unique to offer. India's democracy is also impressive. As a citizen, I have the right to vote and participate in the nation's governance. It's empowering to be part of a system that values its people. India's economy has grown tremendously over the past few decades. Major cities like Mumbai and Bangalore have become centers of innovation and are attracting investments from around the world. Despite its challenges, India is making significant progress in various sectors. The government's initiatives such as the National Rural Employment Guarantee Act and the Right to Education Act are making a difference in people's lives. India's foreign policy reflects its commitment to global cooperation and peace. As a citizen, I'm proud of India's contribution to United Nations peacekeeping missions and its efforts to maintain peace and stability across the globe. In conclusion, India is a land of diversity, democracy, and economic opportunities. As a citizen, I'm grateful to be part of this incredible nation and excited to see its potential unfold.